Heyo, boss, and welcome back. Today, Chef's going to show us how to make a classic, the egg salad sandwich. Couple key ingredients, very inexpensive, and we think you're going to really like this one. So let's crack some eggs and get cooking. Chef says to put some water in a pot, bring it to a boil, and place your eggs in that pot. It's going to take anywhere between 10 to 12 minutes. Go ahead and take them out. You'll see the eggs have already started to crack a little bit. When they're hard boiled, you're going to take them out and put them in a nice ice bath, just to cool down. Now, Chef has a nice trick to test out if an egg is hard boiled. You can spin it. Whoa, look out. If you spin the hard boiled egg, you'll see it spins fast. This egg is not hard boiled. As you can see, it spins slow. So if you have an egg in front of you, you're not sure if it's hard boiled, spin it. So now that the eggs have been cooled down, Chef's going to very gently just peel each hard boiled egg, and he's going to cut them up in half and then just chop the eggs. You don't have to cut these too finely. Just like so. Put these in a bowl. Chef has a very important announcement. Even though it's after Labor Day, he says you can still wear white. He approves. After all, he is. Okay, back to the show. So we have our eggs in a bowl. We're going to now add some mayonnaise and a little bit of mustard. And don't forget, all of our ingredients will be listed down below. Chef's going to mix this up, and he wants you to know if you just have eggs, mustard, mayonnaise, and a little bit of salt and pepper, that is the absolute classic right there. Now, just those three ingredients will make a great egg salad sandwich. However, if you want to kick it up a little bit, you can add some chopped onions and chopped celery. So he's going to be adding those in just to add some crunch. Give it another good mixing. And then add your seasoning, classic salt and pepper. That's really all you need. Give it one more mixing after that and put it in the fridge. After several minutes, the egg salad will cool down. Now, Chef's going to use some classic Italian sliced bread he has from the store. Just some bread you have laying around the house, no big deal. He's going to take his egg salad. He's going to just put this right on his bread. If you want to toast the bread, you can do that. That's your call. After the sandwich is ready, he's just going to put a little bit of paprika on top for seasoning, and there you have it. So classic egg salad. And again, if you just have the eggs, the mayonnaise, and the mustard, that will absolutely do if you're in a pinch for a little lunch. We hope you liked this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, we're trying to push some how-to videos out there that are inexpensive. A couple ingredients around the house, you can put together a nice meal. So thanks again for joining us. Subscribe if you're new. And don't forget, everybody, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.